Hi, welcome. I'm Lisa Lucky with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty, and today we're at 9555 East Southwind Lane. This beautiful home is located in the monument at Troon North. Troon North is in North Scottsdale, and in this master plan community, one of the fun amenities is a private park for the residents. This private park has pickleball courts, and tennis courts, and restrooms. It's only minutes away from this home. Today, in this home, you're going to see a versatile floor plan. We have 3616 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and there's a beautiful swimming pool and putting green out back. So let's come on inside and take a look at this beautiful home. Come on. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. As you can see, this home is beautifully situated. We're close to the AJ's shopping center, as well as hiking trails and that beautiful private park, only moments away from this home. I look forward to giving you a private tour. I'm Lisa Lucky with the Luckies with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty.